It begins tonight with exactly 1 week until the 2024 general election. People across New York State will be voting for more than just state, county, and federal representatives. They'll also have the opportunity to vote on an amendment to the New York State Constitution. Proposition 1, the amendment to protect against unequal treatment. 12 News' Kevin Quinn breaks down the proposed amendment.
Nicole, thank you. This proposal, also known as the Equal Rights Amendment, has both parties divided ahead of the election. I was able to learn more from candidates running for seats in the state legislature about what it would mean if passed and their message to voters who may be on the fence. This proposal would protect against unequal treatment based on ethnicity, national origin, age, disability, and sex, including sexual orientation, gender identity, and pregnancy. It also protects against unequal treatment based on reproductive health care and autonomy. When voters flip over their ballot, that's the description of Proposition 1 they'll see. The potential amendment to the state constitution was prioritized by Governor Kathy Hochul and Democrats across the state after the overturning of Roe v. Wade in 2022. Democrats, State Senator Leah Webb and Assemblywoman Donna Lupardo tell 12 News they've supported this bill in the state legislature, with Lupardo serving as a co-sponsor of the amendment's enabling legislation.
I fully support this proposition. This was actually one of the first votes that I took as a freshman senator in the state legislature when I started just under 2 years ago to advance this measure to the ballot.
We're not upending medical consent or creating new uncomfortable circumstances for people. We're basically putting in the Constitution already existing rights and privileges that we want to make sure we protect.
Their opponents, Republicans Lisa O'Keefe and Mike Sigler, have different views on the proposition, worried about what its, quote, vague language could result in.
The problem with making anything a special class is it confers rights onto those special classes. And you just heard, like, national origin. So does that give illegal people that are in the country illegally rights that they haven't earned? That they're not? Do they give the rights of U.S. citizens to people that are in the country illegally?
The prop mentions a lot of great words. It mentions about national origin, age, and so forth. But it doesn't give any scope around it. We don't know what it's actually talking about. And that could have disastrous outcomes.
Assemblywoman Lupardo notes the amendment would not change any laws in New York State, instead enshrining rights that already exist in state law into the Constitution. For more information on the proposition as it will appear on the ballot, you can head to our website, WBNG.com, where you can find a link to a sample ballot for your area. Reporting live in the studio, Kevin Quinn, 12 News.